Now you want to connect your account again. All right. For some reason, you want to unlink it. Now you want to link this same account again. This is how you're gonna do it. All right. Your boy about to show you. All right. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out of Fortnite on the PS4. So let's get right into the video. Guys, we are so close to 18,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for all the support. I really do appreciate it. If you guys can support me, that'd be great. I am doing a V-Bucks, not V-Bucks giveaway. I'm doing a Minty code giveaway at 20,000 subscribers. All you guys do is subscribe and turn on the post notification. Drop a like. Leave a comment why you should win with your Twitter and Instagram, or just Instagram handle. So good luck to you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. By the way, if you guys would like to support me in a Fortnite item shop, use code JTF. It's just 3 letters, JTF. I will appreciate that. This is an ad. I am getting a little commission for you guys using my code. I get about 5% commission. So if you guys would like to support me, this is how you guys do it right here. Code JTF, 3 letters. All right. Thank you very much. Alright, so the best way for me to show you guys how to log out of Fortnite on the PS4 is just do it myself. I did make a video how to sign out of PS4, right? The only thing about that video that to touch on is there's a lot of people in the comments ask me how to sign back in on the same account. So I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the steps how to sign out, how to log out or sign out on the PS4, then later how you log back in on the PS4. So let's get right into the video. Just right now I'm just gonna get on my PS4, and you can see all the logins and all that. Then we're gonna just go from there. All right, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your 2019 so far, because it's about to be 2020 in a couple of days, right? It is about 4 more days. Right now is December 28th. All right, I'm going Battle Royale. You guys check it out. You guys look at my code, not my code, my user, my character, my username. There it is. Oh my god, that's so funny. All right, so as you see, that's my account, Jack Truong YT. That's also my PSN. All right, you guys see it. It's like, I'm not trying to clickbait you guys or anything. You guys that just see my account right here. Now, what you guys want to do is hit the PlayStation button here, right? You want to go to Google here. So the best way I think to go to Google is one of these frames, I believe. All right, so I had a hard time finding my internet browser. So basically I went to the library right here, click on the library, then I just type in browser because I don't know where it is at on my PS4. So I'll click on that, scroll down, hit down the button, then hit the internet browser and start. Thank you very much. All right, so enter URL. I don't know the URL. I think it's Epic's game, but we're just gonna do that right now. Look like I'm already logged in, but I'll do this just for the sake of some of you guys don't know what to do. So let's go to Epic Games on the search bar, then hit search. Right, we're gonna do that, and it is Epic Games Store official site. All right, you want to skip the ad, then it's basically the link is www.epicgames.com. all right, if you don't have a computer, you can do it the way I'm doing it, but it's probably easier if you do it on the PC. I'm pretty sure you can do it on mobile, but just on a smaller screen, so you can do that as well. But for this purpose, for this video, I'm gonna use the PS4. Right? Hopefully, oh my god, I keep on saying, hope you guys have a great day. Alright, so once you're on this page, right, you're on the website right now. What you want to do, you want to sign in. So I want to sign in, right? Then I'm gonna put my email, so I'm gonna skip this part. I have a 2-factor sign in. After I log in, they're asking for a security code, and I can find it on my email. So I'm gonna put in my email. I'm gonna pull up my email. I'm gonna put in the number, which is, for me, is 9 2 4 4 3 3. I hit art. What? All right, I screwed up. All right, I tried to do this earlier, and that's the old code. So I think this is the recent one. So let's try this again. Be 701-838. 838. Then hit go, redirecting. Now you're here. I apologize, guys. See, I haven't done this in a while, so like, time to learn. Everybody learn. All right, so you can see your name here. That's my Epic's name right there, Coach ATF. But that's still my same account. That's Jack Truong YT, as you guys see on the PS4, right? So what you want to do, you want to hit account, click on account. You're gonna scroll to connected accounts. All right, connect account, and basically see the PlayStation Network, Jack Truong YT. That's the one you guys saw earlier. I'll hit disconnect. And basically, you check all of these. You're just saying everything that you play on your PS4, all the progressive skin will be deleted, right? That's not mean all your Epic's skins are deleted. It's just the one that you made progress. Like, you know, like tier 100. If you have like any progress on there, like, oh, you need like kill 10 people and you can 10 elimination, right? And just say you only did 5. So if you delete it, that 5 will disappear. So you have to kill 10 more people to complete the whatever the challenge. All right, so this is basically saying that you agree and that's okay to delete that progress. All right, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to unlink it. All right, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna unlink it, then bang. All right, so I'm gonna leave that page on. Let's go back to Fortnite, and it should be signed out, which is probably didn't show on here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close my Fortnite, then try to log back in, then show you guys the process again. All right. It's messaging me. Alright, so I'm gonna silent my phone. I'm trying to upload here. But ooh, if you guys haven't already, if you guys would like to support me, use code JTF. It's only 3 letters. JTF, and yes, I do get a little commission from your guys' transaction. I get 5%. So if you guys would like to support me, I'll appreciate it. #ad. But yeah, let's get back into it. So I'm gonna come back when this is done. All right, I just got finished to the loading screen. Now I'm about to start this game. I'm gonna hit X, and they will attempt to log in, and you can't. All right, so that's basically how to log out of Fortnite on the PS4. Now you want to connect your account again. All right, for some reason you want to unlink it. Now you want to link this same account again. This is how you're gonna do it. All right, your boy about to show you. All right, so it's say link an account, so we're gonna walk through it. I'm gonna hit X, then we're gonna visit. I'm gonna write down this code because I'm not gonna remember this. BXIKI7. All right, it expire in 10 minutes, but it'll be a lot easier if you're doing it on PC, but we're not on PC, so we're going back to the website, which is Epic Game, and the website it tell us to go is epicgame/activate. So I'm gonna try to put that in the URL. That's not even the URL, but I'll put that in the search bar. It should show up anyways, regardless, right? So we do that. .com. I can't spell today. Where's the slashy slash? That slash activate. Can't spell today. Who cares? All right, you guys are with me, right? You guys doing this, right? All right, should be after that. It should be the first link. The website would be epicsgames.com/activate, and that's pretty much right. There, you click on that. Then you know that code that it shows on the PS4 on the Epic Game screen. Link. Enter the code from your device to continue. All right. So the code they gave us was what I wrote earlier. So it'll be VSV. Oh my God, that's not it. What is that? VSV S. What is going on? It's double clicking for some reason. All right, this is what messed me up when I put in the code. Instead of a V, it's supposed to be an X instead of the V in the beginning when I put the code in. And once you logged in, after you activate everything, right? There's the end user license agreement. You're gonna hit agree. Then you should be able to log in. All right. Oh no, man, that took longer than I thought. But PS4 is being wonky here, so I apologize. But thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I'm gonna try my best trying to upload another video before 2020. But if not, I'll see you guys in 2020. But I'll do my best. All right, road to 20K here, guys. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for being here. And yeah, if you guys haven't already, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, follow me on Facebook, join my Discord. Join everything, all right? Because even though I have like 17,000 on subscribers on YouTube, I have less than 500 on all my social media. So help your boy out, please and thank you. All right, take care. Peace out.